Good morning everyone, today we're bringing you another Seiko 5 Sport watch review. So let's get right onto it, shall we? So initially look at the box. We've got a sort of a camouflage style box here with a simple lift-off lid style to it rather than a folding lid. Again, very simple, very light in design. It does come with a sort of a black outside cardboard cover, but when I did this in the first take, when I unboxed it literally from that, everything just fell out and it didn't seem very... I think it was all sort of broken inside, which isn't obviously a good sign, and definitely not something you'd expect from Seiko. But yes, so today we're just going to actually unbox it from the watch box itself rather than the entire outside packaging. So here we go guys, this is the Seiko 5 Sport Black Grape GMT. Watch retails at £420 and weighs 170 grams, so it weighs probably quite similar to a Rolex Air King, a 36mm one. Uses a automatic, sort of a ticking style automatic, which is a 4R34 with a 31-hour power reserve on it. So looking at the face, we've got hard Lex glass going over the top of it, and looking at the dial, we've got just a jet black style dial there, not quite the same colour as the actual bezel and the inside part of the face. Just adds a bit more of a contrast to the watch when you're looking at it. The hands and the increments are fully luminous. The actual hands are Lumi Bright hands, so old-fashioned style lume on there, with a nice thick GMT hand as well, which is offers a GMT function with this watch. If you don't know what a GMT is, it's so you can track 2 time zones, or you can track, it's like a 24-hour readout really for your watch, but it was originally used by pilots to do time zones and stuff like that. So got a date dial down at the 3 PM. Again, follows the same sort of style as like a GMT from Rolex in terms of the increment style system and how the date dial sits, etc. So coming out to the bezel, we've got a nice jet black style bezel going on here, nice and thick. No defined clicker, it's just a nice strong bi-directional style bezel. It doesn't have a clicker in there, it's just a strong movement to it. I'm not sure how much that would stick over time, but it seems to be a decent quality. The bezel not too flimsy. Coming out to the casing, we've got a full mirror style stainless steel finishing on the case. The watch offers a 10 bar water resistance as well, and this strap here is a 22mm Jubilee style strap. So Jubilee style strap has these sort of half-length size compared to an oyster style strap. Full mirror finish, as you can see from the casing going around the side, no sort of extra markings on the side as well. So let's come down to the crown. So the crown's got a bit more of a matte finish to it. Let's have a look at this. There you go. So that first position moves our date dial and our GMT hand around the face. And it moves in clicks, which is not often seen. Usually GMT hands glide, they don't sort of lock in as you turn around, but as I'm turning it, as you can see, it's just locking in place. Quite like that touch on the watch, I really like that. So second position, let's have a look at the hand movement. We've got a very nice resistance to the crown. It's not flimsy at all, it's got a really strong movement to it, which is an element of quality there, but I expect you probably should get elements of quality for £420. We've got a nice winder as well. Nice, strong winder. You can even hear the mechanism building up inside. More so than others. So come around the back. Got a full skeleton view of that 4R34 automatic movement there by Seiko. A few more markings on the back as well, as you can see from that. As I said before, the Jubilee style strap. Jubilee style straps often have the two-tone effect finish. You probably might be looking at this thinking it's not two-tone. Well, it is in terms of the finish, because you've got a chrome mirror piece here, you've got a mirror centerpiece here, and the lined outside piece. Coming down to the buckle, you've got a Seiko style double folder with deployment style buttons on the buckle. Not going to take that out, but it'll just be a simple mechanism inside there. So there we go, that is the Seiko 5 Sport Black Grape GMT.